How to buy 4 token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. This goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's released 14 hours ago and increased by 300,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, this token trending number 10 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your Bitgate wallet. Now go to your wallet and select the base as a network, as you can see from here. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called 4. Now after that, click on it. Click here on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see on that token. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy 4 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.